Hi everyone, this is Ziad and welcome back to this new unboxing and review. Today I'm going to unbox and review this hair clipper from this company, which called Sansbeauté, and under the name also from Ton de Use Barber Edition Pro. I was looking for something online and I came across by this, and it has a lot of good reviews online and it's also cheap, so I thought I will buy it and make a review for it. So they have also standard edition and they have a Pro edition. So online I didn't see any difference between them, so I decided to just buy the Pro version, and they had also a discount on it that time when I decided to buy it. So as you see here, this is the machine, and I will go through everything, what's in the box and how my experience with it. So what do we have in the box? As you see here is the menu, but this one is in the Dutch language. I believe they must have the English version here, but I don't know, they didn't include it in the box. Maybe it depends on where they sell it. Also we have the cable to charge it, and you can also charge it using the USB adapter. It comes also with this nice bag. We have a lot of things in the box. The oil for the maintenance. It comes also with this. And what do I like about it? It comes with a lot of options. Start from like 0 or half and up to 10. So as you see, and everyone it has another color. So as you see, 1.5, 2, and you have still a lot of versions. Look at this here, guys. And this one is the number 10. As you see, it's very nice, even if you want to do it yourself at home, so you can use it. And here where we comes to the machine itself. As you see, this is the hair clipper itself, very nice, ergonomic. Here also the texture from the back. Here is also where you can take this off. As you see here, this is gives you really the professional feelings. This one has a gold colors, very nice. Here is also this. I believe this is what makes it look like a cheap hair clipper, but anyway, they just included. Here is the button to power it, and here we have a screen. What has been said on the screen? The maintenance. I will just zoom in so you can see it. As you see, they will let you know if you want to charge or if you want to, of course, if it needs a maintenance. Very handy. It also has this here where you can charge it, of course, or if you want to just use this to put a robe around it. What I miss about in this hair clipper, that this one goes so smooth. So and I know the professional one goes gradually, so it goes slowly and with the steps. So when you are moving between these, you're gonna hear a tick, tick, tick. But this one, as you see, just goes smooth. I really miss that. But anyway, as you can see here, it's also waterproof. So that means that you can just use it when you are taking a shower. When you finish, just put it under the water and wash it, and you will be safe. So the thing is, though it's closed, so that also give it something very unique, that there is no hair will go in it itself. So I mean, like the hair will be just go here, but not in the hair clipper itself. So this is what I like about it. Also, it's not so heavy, so I mean, I can handle it because I'm just bought it for a personal use. So when you are using it for like once in the week, so that is not a big deal. So guys, what I miss here, because I tried it in the different scenarios, you can see when I just try to get it to the 0 or almost to the 0. So in this case, as you see, it's start like from half and goes up to 1. Let's say that. So as you see here, this is not going the whole way to the end. So also this one is not 100% lined with the gold part. So when I try to get these here, because like now I'm just standing here, so let's try it. So as you see here, I just shave it. So as you see, it's of course not very bad, and also it's just make the job done. I have a lot of experience with many different clipper and trimmers. Trimmers you need to avoid when you are buying hair, something for the hair. If you are buying just for your beard, so you can buy trimmers or clipper, but I always prefer just to buy clipper instead of trimmer, because trimmer is just good for your beard, but for your hair it's not just good for that. It's just not designed for hair. It's just designed just for a beard. So as you see here, I didn't try to charge it because I believe it will, like if I just use it maybe every week just for my beard, it will go like maybe for 2 months. Just use it. I just buy, to be honest, to try to of course use it for my hair, to do it myself. So and I believe these such things can last with you maybe for 2 months or 3 months before you just charge them for a while. But if you are gonna use it in your barber shop, so I believe like every day charge it. It depends on how busy you are, how much client you have. I hope this review was useful. If you like it, please give it a like. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.